In this video, I'll tell you all about the title and text elements in the Maglr block editor. So to add a new title or text element, you simply go to the top left of the screen through the add button here to add a new element. And under the basics, we will find all of the available title and text elements. So there's a title, a subtitle, a subject box, there's some text, there's columns as well, and a quote to simply drag into your page and to make use of. So by simply dragging them into the designated area for elements here, we can simply place them. So I can place a heading, a medium heading, and maybe 2 columns here for some text. And I can edit these by simply clicking them to select the element itself and double clicking them to select the text as well. So now I can select the text here and basically start typing to change it. Same goes for all other text elements. Simply double click and change the contents of the elements there. There's also some options for the elements themselves, which you will see via a blue or gray circle next to the element itself. The blue circle indicates the alignment options. So there's alignment options for the entire element, not for just the text, but for the entire element. So we can set the width of the element itself and the alignment of the element itself according to the designated area and the white space next to the element. You can also duplicate the element and delete it right from here. And the gray icon is used to drag our title maybe below the subtitle, for example. There's also text options, of course, which we can change via the right menu, the configuration menu here. And there's several options you can see. There's some formats for your fonts. You can make it bigger or smaller through here. With some default settings here. You can also change the font family. So change its font to Roboto, for example. Change its weight, so if it should be bold, you can make it bold. If it should be italic, you can make it italic as well. I can change the size of the font here to make it bigger. And the line height, which indicates the space between multiple rules of text. So if I make 2 lines of text here and change the line height, you can see that the space between these lines is becoming bigger. There are also alignment options for the text itself to make it either aligned to the left of the element box, to the middle, or all the way to the right. I can change the color of the text here as well to make it red, for example. There are also transparency options to make the text itself transparent. A background option, so I can choose a background color for my text element. So the entire element gets a black background in this case. I can also make that transparent or partially transparent if I want to. Then there's a link option here. So I can place a link option below the text element. So if someone clicks on the element itself, on the text here, they will be linked to a specific page or an external URL. There's also a visibility option here. So besides being able to delete the element through this blue circle here at the top left, we can also hide the elements. And the hide element is mostly used for elements that cannot be deleted. So elements that are designated for this specific template can't be deleted. You have to hide them. So if you hide them, it will be invisible, and you can find it back under the button at the bottom left here, and it will be shown again. So that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.